Hey Joakim, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool Keysmart right here, and basically what this is a smart trackable key holder. And we see the one that we got right here from this brand. And what's really cool about the product is the fact that not only does it help you guys store all your keys and keep it all organized, but it has a built-in flashlight option, and it also has a built-in tile technology that you can use as a tracker, so that way it's always know where your phone is, which is pretty cool. And supposedly for the product it does have a built-in feature as well. So if you guys turn to the back, they provide guys all different specs and features on here. So I mentioned it does have an LED flashlight option. It's rechargeable and also has a bottle opener option. So for this one product, it lets you guys hold up to 14 keys, and supposedly it does have a slot for you guys to put your car keys on here as well, which is pretty cool. So like I mentioned, the one that we got right here is the Pro version. They do have other version available that doesn't have all the same features on here. So if you guys don't care about everything that's on here and you guys want the most basic one to just hold your keys, you guys can get that instead. And if you guys notice, the one that we got right here is a black color. They do have this available in other colors as well, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open it up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So first thing inside right here, they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And they also provide you guys information to teach you guys how to set up the tile option as well, which is basically the tracking technology that you use to track your keys. And I'll show you guys how that works in a second. Right underneath that, right here we do have the actual product. And they also provide you guys the cable. So the cable is a USB to micro USB cable, so you can definitely use that to charge the product. But once you guys take it out, so right here in the middle we do have the brand logo. So there's two buttons on here, one for the flashlight and one for the tile option. So you basically want to press on the tile button if you guys want to set up the tracker option, and the button above that will turn on the flashlight. So if you guys turn it this way, that is where the flashlight is. So currently the product is not charged yet, so you do need to charge it first before you use it. So when I turn it this way, this is where you plug in the cable to actually charge it. So if you guys open up, if you can see the slot inside, that is basically where you plug in the cable to recharge it. And if you guys push this part out, that is basically the bottle opener option. And inside right here is where you guys can put your keys for your car keys and etc. And basically the way how you guys put your keys inside right here, you guys want to unscrew it this side or this side for you guys to put it in. And it's so easy for you guys to do it that you guys can definitely use your nails as well. So if I unscrew it, let me show you guys how to take it out. Alright, so once you guys open it, here's what the inside looks like. So inside they do have this spacer for you guys to divide each one of the keys. So let me actually show you guys what I mean. So for example right here I do have two keys. Let me actually put it in to show you guys how to set it up. So I'm gonna put it in like this. And you guys want to put a spacer in between it. And you guys want to put another key on top. And then put another spacer on top of that. And you guys want to put this one on top as well. And we'll put the last spacer on top. And you guys want to close it back up. And then once you guys do that, you guys can put the screw back on top. Alright, so we got it in. So what I'm doing now is to twist this part here until it locks all the way in. Make it as tight as possible so that way the key can't fall out. Alright, so that's pretty good. So now if you guys want to use each one of the keys, you can definitely pull each one out really easily. So just like that. And like I mentioned, when you guys do use the keys on here, it should fit up to 14 keys. So when they mention how the product can fit up to 14 keys, I don't think it can fit up to 14 keys. Maybe somewhere around like 10 or so is more reasonable. So that is basically how you guys set up the product. Same thing applies to the other side right here as well. But now let's plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it. So if you guys plug it in right here, that activates the product. So let's turn on the flashlight. That turns it on. So for the flashlight option, there's different options available. If you guys press it one time, it just kind of turns on for a minute. But if you guys tap it 2 times, that will keep the light on. And if you guys want to turn it off, you basically want to press and hold the button. And that will turn it off. So obviously the flashlight option is not that bright, but it is good enough for you guys to have one at least as a backup option. But now let's connect the tile option to show you guys how it works. So what you guys want to do is download the app first. Alright, so here is the app that you guys want to download. So we just finished downloading it. Let's open up. Once you guys open the app, you guys want to click on get started. And it gives you guys the option to add your device. So let's do that first. So the next step, it will tell you guys to either sign in your account or sign up. So like I mentioned, I don't have an account, so I'm actually create one first. And right here, they tell you guys to activate the device or the tile option. So you basically want to press on the tile button. So if you guys press on this tile button one time, you guys want to click on the bottom. And now it's basically looking for the device. So I found the Smart Key Pro. So I want to click on activate device. Alright, so it's activated. So you can see right here, show you guys that's activated. So I click on next. So So you give you guys the option to find the tile. So if you press on it one time. So click on done. So basically give you guys the option to make that noise if you guys can't find the device after looking at the map. So what I'm going to do now is to double press the logo to help you guys find the iPhone. So let's tap it on 2 times. Alright, so everything's connected. So they do have some protection on here if you guys do want to sign up for it, such as like smart alert, free battery replacement, some warranty, and etc. So definitely do your own research for that if you guys want to. And then once you guys do that, it'll ask you guys for permission for location. So you guys want to set as always if you guys want to use the option. So I'm actually change that on here first. So once you guys got it all set up, here is basically what the app looks like. So basically give you guys the option to find your phone and also for the keys as well. So if you guys tap on it, this is what the product looks like. So you can see right here, show you guys how close the product is. But when you guys are far away from it, it'll show you guys the location on here. If you guys want to make the sound or the alert, you basically want to press right here. So that way you can find the actual device. So that is basically how you guys use the product. You can see very simple and very easy for you guys to use it. And for this brand or for this product, they do make a lot of other accessories that they will buy for you guys if you guys want to get those as well. Obviously the other accessories are not included, so you do need to purchase that separately if you guys do want to. I actually purchased one of the accessories that should be coming in sometime this week or tomorrow. I'll see when that comes. But once that product comes, I'll show you guys that in a separate video. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now the end question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality key organizer that give you guys the flashlight option, the Bluetooth tile option, so that way you can find your key anywhere and anytime. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.